guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing 4 stress relieving toys that include this slime Play-Doh, a rice balloon stress toy, fluffy slime and clear slime. So let's get to it, guys. Okay, so first to make this slime Play-Doh, you're going to need a bowl, a spoon, a container to mix things with, some plain white flour, just regular sunscreen, any sunscreen, and any toothpaste. I use Oral-B. You're going to grab your bowl and you are going to, you can eye how much flour you want depending on how much slime Play-Doh you want, and just scoop some flour out into a bowl. I'm not making very much because, well, I don't need that much, just a small bit. Now you're going to add some sunscreen, just a little bit. You can add as you go, because not too much, because remember we're going to put the toothpaste in as well. So squeeze some toothpaste in it, if you can. Yeah. And stir it up. So it's a bit sticky now, so you can add a little more flour. So it's kind of like adding a bit of both process right now. And you can just pour some flour in. This is the messy part, very messy. You can plop it onto your bench. Once it gets to a good consistency, then you can... Okay, so now we are going to put a tiny bit of food coloring in. I chose teal. It's like an aqua bluey greeny color. Of course, you can always use these ones or this type as well. Tiny dab. Then just mix it in. So now once you have mixed in your food coloring, it will become a nice texture. And what you do, if this gets too sticky, you can pop it in the fridge for 4 or 5 hours and take it out again. It should be a little firmer, and you can leave it out and then play with it, and it'll be back to normal texture and room temperature. This is the one I made earlier. As you can see, I didn't add as much teal. Well, I added the same amount, but it was a bigger batch, so it didn't go as dark. But after a time, it will smoothen and form into this nice, well, Play-Doh slime sort of thing.